Hey, it's Brandy Bracy here, and I just want to share how Tribe, Stu, his team, the accountability group I'm in, and all the members of Tribe have changed my life. So, a short 2 years ago, I was in a totally different industry, a totally different business, and I have little kids, and I was stressed out getting out of the house in the mornings, getting them to school, getting to job sites, managing a large team, and it wasn't serving me. It wasn't fulfilling my passion and my drive and what I love to teach. And that is the online space and marketing to small and service based business owners. And so, what really changed everything for me was about 18 months in, I was just still struggling because I was trying to serve everyone. And Stu made one comment to me about niching down. And I picked the industry that I enjoyed the most, and that is salon business owners. And so within a quick 3 months, that one switch changed everything. It allowed me to build an audience, be able to focus on messaging, and to beta launch a membership with 33 women the first time around, and we're going to launch again here in a couple weeks. So I'm super excited at the freedom it's given me. It's allowing me to spend more time with my family, my kids, structure my life the way I want it to be, on my terms and my time, and also have that recurring revenue. But also, I had a lady message me in our group today about how she's been in business for 7 months, and after being in my group for a month, she has had her busiest week ever. She had 5 new clients this week, and that's what drives me, is because I'm not only growing my business but growing many other people's businesses and showing how to do that, because they didn't go to school for business and marketing, and they don't know that, and they didn't even know this was possible and available. So I want to make sure I've said everything I've wanted to say, but I'm just so thankful, right? My life has changed. I didn't know that this was going to be possible for me, but I know it's possible for anybody. If I could do it, if I could switch from a completely different industry, painting cabinets, to coaching salon business owners, anybody can do this, right? So I'm a Triber for life. Thank you, Stu.